Have you been working in person during COVID-19? If so, your legislators need to hear from you. Join the Protect Maryland Workers Coalition at this year's virtual Legislative Action Days on February 3rd and 4th. Our goal is to make sure that all essential workers have hazard pay, PPE, and more. This is your opportunity to speak directly with elected officials and urge them to protect essential workers on the front lines.
Normally, we would meet our lawmakers in Annapolis, but this year you can join us virtually on Zoom. All you need to do is sign up at this link and you will receive further instructions about how to join us.
Whether you're a healthcare worker, a bus driver, a grocery store employee, or any other essential worker, your story is important. Let's show our legislators the power of the people and demand they pass the Maryland Essential Workers Protection Act this year.